My name's Schwartz, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist, and I practice with the Oregon Clinic. So what drew me to orthopedic surgery, and specifically sports medicine, was that somebody can come in injured, doing what they love, and then you have the tools to fix them with surgery, and in 6 months, a year, they can get back to doing whatever they want to do. I like working with athletes, high school athletes, collegiate athletes, recreational athletes, just because they have a mindset of, oh, I want to get better, I want to get back to what I want to do. And so the majority of people I see are just, recreational athletes or everyday kind of people that may have slipped or fell or tripped. I feel like there's a lot of patients that come to mind that have a similar pathway in terms of when they see me to start and then after they're done with the whole recovery. Let's say a shoulder injury. They tear their rotator cuff, which, makes your arm move. You go through the recovery, 6 months. It's a difficult recovery, but then people come back to my office and they're back to work, they're back to playing tennis, and they're just super enthusiastic that even though it was a difficult 6 months, they're happy that they have a normal shoulder at that point. I would say my philosophy is working with patients and seeing what their goals are. And so I try to lay out all of the treatment options, whether it's conservative versus operative treatment, and give them the rundown of what to expect in both, and then work with the patient to see whatever their goals are and what they want to do, because ultimately it's their decision. I think my patients should expect someone who shares their goals with them. I want them to be able to feel comfortable to say, hey, this is what I want out of this surgery or physical therapy or whatever treatment I give. And I also want them to come away feeling like they understand what their diagnosis is and what treatments there are available. What I like about Portland is the food scene and the access to all the unbelievable outdoor activities. So I'm born and raised in the suburbs of Chicago. Winter there, it's brutally cold, and when it snows, there's nothing to do. Now, being on the West Coast, it's so easy to ski on the weekends that now my whole winter really revolves around skiing.